You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to view your followers on Facebook. First, understand the difference between friends and followers. Followers are people who subscribe to your public updates without being friends. To see your list of followers, open the Facebook app or website and go to your profile. On your profile, look for the Friends tab and click on it. Next to Friends, you will see a Followers tab. Click on Followers. This will show you a list of everyone who follows you. You can scroll through this list. If you don't see a Followers tab, you may need to adjust your privacy settings. Go to Settings and Privacy, Settings, then Public Posts. Under Who Can Follow Me, ensure it's set to Public or Friends. If it's set to Friends, only your friends can follow you, and the list may be combined. To see who you are following, go to your profile, click Friends, then click Following. This shows people and pages you follow. Remember, you can remove followers by going to their profile, clicking the three dots and selecting Remove Follower. This does not unfriend them if they are also a friend. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.